Hello everyone, Ebikes4Africa here, mobilizing African communities. This is a different video. I just wanted to show you the daily operations and how is everything in the workshop. We have seen some bikes already. But now let's go into our everyday operations. This is Lucas, one of our workshop guys. We have our office assistant right here, busy with some emails. Then this is one of the main offices. We have a small storage room here for the batteries and sensitive equipment. We have more bikes here. We are setting up the Long John. Is a very sophisticated cargo bike that we have, which is very specific for another project that we are going to build soon. We also build new charging stations, so we have the solar panels here being already segmented for the purpose. But that's it. We have some stock there with different bike models that you'll see as well. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.